This is technology you could soon see hovering above a city near you. Pandemic drones. We've already seen cities like Elizabeth, New Jersey deploying drones with automated voice messages, telling people to keep their distance. And in Meriden, Connecticut, they announced they'll be using them to monitor the city's trails and parks. But these new drones are equipped not only with cameras, but high-tech sensors that can help determine if people are sick. We've already seen police use helmets in China to detect fevers. Similar technology, but up in the air.
So we could see this soon in a community across the country.
You'll be seeing this very soon.
And Cameron Chell, the CEO of one of the oldest commercial drone companies, says they're deploying pilot drone programs across the country this month, including one in the tri-state area.
Where it's most critically needed is where we're going.
If they follow local and federal regulations, the drones can be used just about anywhere, as long as they hover within 20 stories of where people are on the ground, so the cameras and sensors can pick up real-time information.
What these cameras can do is actually detect fever, which is very different than detecting just temperature. They can detect coughing, sneezing. They can detect your heart rate, your respiratory rate.
The information it collects raises privacy concerns. Drones have been used before for everything from surveying hurricane damage to mapping cities. But this technology involves real-time health information. The New York Civil Liberties Union says drone use should always serve a clear public health purpose. Indefinite and unwarranted mass crowd policing does not fit that purpose, and that surveillance tools used during the pandemic should be scientifically justified, communicated transparently to the public, limited in their scope and duration, and should always require informed consent.
As it stands today, is not designed to identify people. The system is designed to basically provide health monitoring data and be able to give us better data to make more clear decisions.
The Elizabeth Police Department says they're trying to save lives, not trying to be Big Brother. A decision many communities will face as they balance using technology to keep people and privacy safe. The technology could be used not only by cities, but by private companies like hospitals as well, so they can monitor the infection rate of people coming and going from the buildings. We will keep you posted on this technology as it is expected to be rolled out in at least one tri-state community over the next few weeks. Dan Krauth, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.